With your Nikon Z camera, I got the Z8 in my hand. I'm gonna show you guys how to white color balance manually in case automatic isn't doing that good of a job, because it's not perfect. Sometimes things appear really yellow because the light bulb is warm, so it tries to compensate for that and it ends up looking kind of strange, right? Yes, you could change it to bulb or sun, but sometimes you want that perfect color. To set your white balance, you go into the I menu and then you go into your white balance and then you scroll right till you get to pre-1, and then you hold down the OK button for a couple of seconds. And then the trick is you need a white card or a white paper or a white shirt, white dress from your bride, anything white, white t-shirt, and then you just aim on the white and then you push the OK button, and now your white balance is perfectly set. Your white is pure white. And that's how you manually white balance with your Nikon camera. All right, just real quick guys, I do have t-shirts for sale I've made for photographers and videographers. I got the link below. It's a very nice material. It fits nicely. And if you do support me, I appreciate you so very much. I can keep doing this. I love sharing everything that I can about photography and video. And selling this t-shirt is one of the ways for me to just keep doing what I love. Thank you so much for your support. So thank you so much for watching it all the way through. And I will see you next time.